Hey guys, today let's check out a beautiful book. This is Bhagavad the Krishna Avatar. This is a special issue by Amachitrakatha. This book costs around 499 rupees. I got it for around 350 or something. And this book is a hardcover book. This is a sturdy hardcover book, so it can be kept for longer period so that no worn out can happen. It's a good hardcover book. So it's a beautifully illustrated front cover. It's a special issue by Amachitrakatha. This comes in the category Epics and Mythology. As we all know, Amachitrakatha usually categorized into contemporary leaders and Epics and Mythology. This book comes under Epics and Mythology books. And here in the back cover there is some notes regarding this book, introduction about this book, and here they have given some other ASCK special issues. Not all issues have been covered. Yes, some like Dashavataram, Jesus Christ, Valmiki's Ramayana, Mahatma Gandhi and Mahabharata. And I like Mahabharata very much. This is also a hardcover book, very big book. 3 hardcover books they are giving its special issue. And if you subscribe to my channel and look into it, you can see the books all introduced in it. And check other ACK specials in my channel too if you want. Please subscribe and see to it. So this is the special issue by Amachitrakatha hardcover book, Bhagavat. So let's check inside. The front cover has beautiful illustrations from inside the story of this book. This is not white and black but orange and white. It looks very beautiful. All pictures are from stories inside. It's all Krishna's story. So let's go inside. There are no contents given in this book. It directly starts with the story. Here it starts like Krishna something. So the first story, Krishna the darling of Gokul. They have covered how Krishna's birth and how he ends up in Gokul. And also how he becomes a darling. It's a beautiful illustrated book. See for yourself. The words are very legible for anyone to read. So it's a beautiful book. So this is the next chapter is Krishna, the subduer of Kaliya. Kaliya is a snake, poisonous serpent which used to live in the river. How he defeats and saves the people from poisonous water. So this is the second chapter. We have grew up with stories from Amachitrakatha book and we want to keep our children this legacy. It's a beautiful book to introduce mythology into our children. So beautiful illustrated. Amachitrakatha is forever the classics for Indians. So the next Bhagavad Purana is the Krishna, the upholder of Govardhana. So Govardhana is a mountain. How he lifts the mountain and saves people from floods and storm. It's a beautifully illustrated story. I'm telling this because there are no contents. What all stories you can find. And next is the Krishna victory over Kamsa. This is the main story for the birth of Krishna. Kamsa, as we all know, is his uncle. For his death only he reincarnated and also to bring peace in the world. We all know Krishna is the 8th avatar of Lord Vishnu. The next is Krishna, the Lord of Dwarka. After defeating Kamsa, he becomes Dwarka's Lord. How he defeats many enemies there and how he finally becomes its Lord. You can find it there. So these are many people coming in order to defeat him. And next the Krishna the enchanter. We all know Krishna had many wives, thousands of wives. Here are some wives, important wives, story how he able to seduce them or enchant them and marry them. So this is the story of Krishna the enchanter. And next is Krishna the victorious. These are the continuation how he finds victories over all his battles. This is Krishna the victorious. Next is Krishna, an ally of the Pandavas. Pandavas is the main story coming in Mahabharata, where they fight against their cousins Kauravas, and Krishna becomes ally for defeating them and creating dharma in the world. Not the entire Mahabharata is given in this book. Only very important aspects where Krishna is involved is given in this book. If you want the entire Mahabharata story, kindly see to my channel, the Mahabharata book. And next, the last is Krishna the Savior, how he saves the world. So, there are totally 9 chapters in this book. Krishna's death has not been given in this book. It is clearly depicted in Mahabharata book. You can see to it in my channel. So this end page also has similar illustrations from inside the story. So this is it, guys. Kindly subscribe and see for more such amazing books. See you next time.